I built a one-of-a-kind Lego store out of bricks. A lot of my ideas are just all up here in my head. So I don't know, there's a lot of the stuff I don't have books for. I just throw a whole bunch of stuff together.
Imagine a world where the creative possibilities are endless. Imagine a place that feels familiar, yet could be changed based on your imagination. Imagine Goodwill is the heartbeat of this world of possibility. Jason has been with Goodwill since 2005. His role is to make sure the store looks good, the racks are full, and donors are taken care of. In his spare time, he visits Creator Street, crafting masterpieces for his Goodwill team.
It took me a month to build. Don't ask me how many pieces. I'm guessing about between 300 and 500 pieces probably. The thought that went into it, a lot of curation, details went into this thing. And then I used the Legos in the front, celebrating 60 years of Goodwill, that there. A flat screen TV to watch the Oilers game, and lots of furniture. Oh, we also have a white tag sale too. When I finished it off, I didn't go to bed that night till about 2 o'clock in the morning. It took me about 6 hours to finish. It's a really good feeling. I noticed that I actually did something right, and I'm very proud of myself.
This creation is not an overnight success, as it takes weeks and months to plan, build, and rebuild before we see a final product.
This one here should be the next logo for Goodwill for Alberta. I had to change the face, so I had to redid the whole thing. So on top we had number 99, on the side 97, and on this side number 11, all captains of the Edmonton Oilers.
Jason met his wife Tamara at Goodwill on the south side of Edmonton, and she even had a helping hand in sorting the blocks.
So we went to the Lego store. Tamara counted about almost 1,000 pieces of this one here in one box. It took us about 3 hours.
While the world outside may shape or influence our capacity to create or dream, the unknown is limitless as we explore the world beyond the constraints of reality.